Alright guys, so we arrived here at the cave. Hinagdanan Cave and Bath Resort. There's a bunch of shops here. Pasalobong. This guy's selling pearls. Thank you. There's food. Pasalobong all over the place. Alright guys, so we were here yesterday or the other day, and this young lady remembers us.
Yummy, just like her. Maybe after, will you get thirsty?
Alright.
Mango, coconut, pineapple. Yes sir, fresh fruit juice. Mango shakes are only
So this is the entrance right here. And I think they close at 4 o'clock. They open at 8 and they close at 4. Or you can't swim after 4. Yeah, so nice. There's a trail that goes back that way. We'll check that out later. Or maybe we'll check it out now. Not sure.
المغرب 35 مليون، الجزائر 35 مليون.
So it looks like at the end of this trail that we followed, looks like there's some boats here, some more boats here, and the ocean. And it looks like we're on the wrong side because it has all the seaweed. If we were on the right side, there would be no seaweed. Sargasm, I think. That's what it's called. Not sarcasm. Yeah, but look at that. It's beautiful. Looks like this may be a swimming area because it's got the floaties all around. Looks like there's some traps out there. You can see them floating around. This is probably really, I don't know if you get a good sunset here. It looks like you can see a reef over there. Yeah, so fishing nets. We're gonna go back and check out the caves. We'll see you in a little bit. Alright guys, so we're going down. Ooh. This is slippery. Alright. My battery's almost dead, so I'm gonna have to change the battery here pretty soon.
Picture po mo yung celebrity. Sorry. Yun. Okay mo forward, B. Show me your smile. Don't be look tired. But don't move.
So guys, it's humid.
Start. Now, 3, 2, and 1. More energy. Yeah. Don't be, show me more. Hold your fire. 3, 2, and ma'am, awakan. Parang baggage counter, ma'am. Okay lang yan? Ay, sige. Baka yung kuha mo pang national ID ba? Okay. Mas. Huwag gagalaw. Start. And there we go. Perfect.
Sorry, it's a little dark in here, guys.
Is it okay to take a picture with you?
Ayun
My
nga.
husband? Is it okay to take a picture?
Only if you sign up for my channel. My YouTube channel.
We'll do that later, sir. 1, 4, 3, 2. Black and white. Black and white.
Search ano YouTube channel ko.
I'm only a brownie. Not black brownie.
What's your name, sir?
Eddie Felix.
I'm sorry?
Eddie.
Eddie?
Eddie Felix.
Your name's Eddie Frias?
Felix.
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 You're from where, sir?
U.S. California. So
How is it?
we're here in Houston.
How long are you staying here?
Sunday.
Until Sunday? 5, 4, 3. Sir Felix. They're brothers. And sister here. Sister here. You can try their delicacies in Dawis. They have a restaurant there.
Where's it at?
It's quite cheaper there. Affordable.
Here is Bohol.
Yes, they have.
Where's that?
They have banana.
No. Asa malapit?
Ganun lang tayo. Paglabas mo dyan sa may highway, main road going to Tagbigan.
Sa ngalan?
ENL snack.
Ha?
ENL snack. ENL.
DML?
Egg. Lima.
Okay.
ENL.
We'll try that.
Please do, ma'am. It's quite, it's very affordable.
Oh, taga-diri di ay mo. Alam mo yung turon. Hmm?
Chips.
Mm.
There is this globe sale site for the landmark. I think it will be just half kilometers away from here.
Kung siya pa man yung giloto.
Sudan or Merienda?
Sudan.
Sudan na sila'y balbakwa, bipan.
Ang ganda ay da balbakwa. Kapati ko kakaang balbakwa. Papakita ka ang balbakwa.
Alright guys, so we just came out of the cave. Getting a poker shake. It's 100 pesos, which is like not even $2.
Size ni ma'am? Balbakwa man man sa
What happened here?
Beef Paris.
Iba vlog kayo na siya.
Mukha ka Salvaro, right?
Alright guys, so we were at the cave and we met up with the owner or owners of this place called L Snack House, E&L Snack House. And so I'm showcasing them right now just so everybody can stop by and check them out, support them. They have a bunch of snacks here. Drinks. Hello.
Hello guys.
Banana Q, udon, all kinds of snacks.
Ako na na, oh. Kamuting kahoy, right?
Yeah, so if you guys are in Bohol, it's not too far from the place we're staying. If you're interested, just leave me a comment in this video and I'll let you know where they are.
Here.
And here's the menu of what they have, or some of the things they have.
Nice already. I'm here inside. I'm selling their delicacies.
All right.
Trying to here in the ENL.
Yeah. You guys come out and check them out.
Delicious here.
It's right along the highway, so convenient. The caves are that way, about an estimated 500 meters. So yeah, come out and check them out. E&L Snack House. Alright, so from here we're going to be heading to the house to change, take showers, and then we'll be heading to the beach again, to Alana Beach. So stay tuned for that, and we'll see you guys in a bit. Thanks for watching, guys. What is this, babe? Vegetable lumpia? Some lumpia, and this is banana cube. So yeah, banana. It's banana wrapped in a lumpia wrapper. Teresa's having rice and fish with nanka, Bicol Express, and what's that? It's some kind of salad, seaweed salad. All right, guys. So this is the outdoor seating for E&L or EL. It's very nice, very quiet, very peaceful. So yeah, come out and give them some support. We're headed back to the apartment right now. And that's how it's done.
Yeah.
Yeah. All these will be eaten or drunk for their coconut water, and then you split it open and you eat the inside. It's very delicious. So Theresa and I drank some of the juice. It's just too much for us because we just finished lunch, so he's gonna cut it open, and then we eat the inside. You guys have seen another video where we've eaten this before. So